Good morning. Many of you are used to using a tool inside of Sakai called Curriculum Builder, and this links to our EBSCO host so that you can choose eBooks and different papers to be able to have your students read those things for free. It works a little bit differently in Canvas, but it does work. So this video is to show you how it will work. The first thing you'll want to do is go to your modules and pick the week in which you want this particular source to be. So then you will click on the plus button and you will go down to External Tool. You'll see something that says Library Resources and you'll click on that. It will take just a second for the EBSCO Roadrunner to pull up. And then you're going to enter whatever search terms or the name of the book or whatever it is that you want them to read. So I'm going to put Becoming a Teacher. It's going to take just a few minutes for that to pull up. And you can see that this is the ebook, Becoming a Teacher, the Dance Between Tacit and Explicit Knowledge. I'm going to click Add to add it to the Learning Management System. And then I'm going to click Add Item again. And right down here is going to be where that resource lives. So you click on that resource and it will open it up as the student so that they can read the full PDF text. And they just click on that. It opens up inside of Canvas so they don't have to go anywhere else. They can search through the book. And it has all of the different aspects that they might need to be able to look through the book, but they don't have to go outside of that particular course to do so. If you have any questions about how to use this tool, just let me know or let Nate know, and we'll be happy to help you.